Did you dream about modern luxury home with 4 fireplaces? I found one for you in Lakeville. Let's take a look.
This kitchen is one of the best parts of this home. It has a big central island, beautiful quartz and soapstone countertops, and custom cabinets with plenty of storage. You will also find a farmhouse sink, stylish backsplash and modern lighting. Plus, there is a butler's pantry that gives you extra space for prep and keeping things organized. Perfect if you like to cook and host.
Home for you or for someone who you know, contact me directly for private showings. Don't miss this one, it's not gonna last long.